Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm really excited today because I'm going to show you 5 main strategies to start working online today even as a complete beginner. For anyone who wants to be successful online, then watch this video till the end. So I'll show you step by step 5 main strategies to start making money online. This will help you build a real business online. And mind you, I'm not speaking of just using certain websites to earn a couple of cents online or maybe $2 to $5 per week. I'm talking about real business that will actually change your life for good. A business that you can later on turn into passive income. So stick with me till the end so I'll show you in details how you can start making money online today even as a complete beginner. The very first strategy is affiliate marketing. I talk about this a lot here on my channel. This is the promotion of products or services for someone else or for a company and you earn a commission. One good thing about affiliate marketing is that you can start without any money, without any content of your own, and without any website of yours. You can start totally from scratch even as a complete beginner. With this, you can make a few dollars without anything at all. I will explain in details about this here on my channel. Please check out the description below so you can learn step by step how to start affiliate marketing today. The second strategy is freelancing. It's the provision of your skills and services for anyone who may be in want or in need of it. If you are a graphic designer, you can choose to design any form of graphics. If you are a programmer, you can choose to develop applications. It could be any form of freelancing services or skills that you wish to render. You can begin providing these skills and services on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, Fiverr, or any other platform that gives you the opportunity to render your skills and your services and get paid for it. You can also decide to build your own website. That means a service website where you can grow online so that you don't necessarily have to depend on other websites to be successful online. The third strategy is content creation. This method is one of the best methods. It requires a lot of effort though, but it is the center of online marketing. Once you have content, you have the opportunity to grow any online business. You can choose to promote your skills, your services, or affiliate products. You can promote whatever you want. You can decide to create content like blog posts, YouTube channel, free courses, ebooks, or any form of content in order to build your brand and start promoting anything at all that you want. You could also decide to monetize your content with ads, with the use of Google AdSense or any form of ad network. The fourth strategy is SaaS services. This simply means the publication of a particular service online where you provide free platform to help people with a certain service for free. You can then monetize your SaaS services with ads or promote your affiliate links. You could also use this service to build your brand and become popular, which will lead to more leads and more subscribers to promote whatever you need. Also, SaaS services can also be monetized by setting up recurring payment on it. Imagine you have about 300 customers who subscribe to your SaaS service and then pay you say $10 per month. You are making $3,000 passively without doing anything at all. One good thing about this is that you can start a SaaS service today without anything at all. Even if you are not a programmer, I will leave a link in the description to this video showing you step-by-step process how you can actually go about getting your own SaaS service set up. So go there, watch the video, learn and get started. The fifth strategy is online stores. This simply is a store that you own online where you can sell either physical or digital products. This also is one of the best strategies you need in order to work online. If you want me to produce content relating to how to build an online store and start making money from such store, even as a complete beginner from day one, then leave a comment below stating just that. So these are the 5 basic strategies which you can use to start making money online today, even as a complete beginner. Let's recap. The 5 basic strategies to start making money online are affiliate marketing, freelancing, content creation, SaaS services, and online stores. Now get a piece of paper and write down these 5 basic strategies. Decide which of them you wish to start with. It could be affiliate marketing, or it could be content creation, or it could be any of the above that I mentioned. You could also decide to combine them. You may have to make this decision. Why? Because it would go a long way in changing your life. Now listen to this. Those who are watching this video are grouped into two. The first group will simply be those who will watch the video and then go ahead and waste their time. This group of people sum up to about 90%, while the second group of people may watch this video and then take action right away, and this will change their life for good. This group of people make up about 10%. Out of this 10%, only about 2% will try, and if they fail, they will try again until they succeed. This is the reason why about 2% of the total population of the world are successful. Do not be part of the 98% of people who just waste their time. Be part of the 2% who make a decision to change their life. You may say, hey, I don't have money, I don't have a super laptop, or I don't have this, or I don't have that. Remember, to change your life, you don't need money. You don't even need a laptop to start making money online. You can start a blog, affiliate marketing, or even freelancing with the use of your mobile phone right away. Watch my videos here on this channel. Search for real videos on YouTube, not videos that will waste your time, but videos that will show you how you can start making money online today. So keep the excuses aside. Excuses like, I don't have time. Now, check out how many hours you sleep in a day. The number of times you spend watching movies. You do actually have time. But the question is, how you make use of your time. Dedicate at least 1 hour a day to learn something new and start something new. And in a couple of months, you'll be successful. When I first got started in online business, it was just like imagination for me to make up to $50 online. Today, the story is different. Most of the money I make online are passive. Stop saying you cannot do it. Giving excuses that don't really matter. Just start doing it. You may fail at the first trial, but if you keep at it, you'll be successful. Remember that to be successful is not just about having money. It also includes many other things. To be relaxed, to be comfortable, and to live happily with your family, and lots more, you name it. Therefore, think big today and change your life. While if you like content about making money online, affiliate marketing, and online businesses, feel free to watch videos I've created about these topics here on this channel. What are your questions about how to start making money online so I can make more videos about them? Let me know in the comment section. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch more great content here on this channel. As usual, thanks for watching, and don't forget, go out there and learn something new today. Peace.